So guys, good evening. This is Momo Bora TV. I'm here to show you guys our new site, Zana site, that is located along Entebbe, one of the sites that is ongoing. So as being Momo Bora, we supplied them. I connected people down of the site to get people who can supply for them materials, construction materials, as a trusted person. So today I decided to show you guys how our site is, the one of Zana. It's at 75% complete. As you can see, that is our Zana site. Let us have a look at it. Let us view it. So that is our site, the one that is in Zana. So we have been supplying them raw materials. So if you know you want to construct in Uganda and you are not sure of the prices of the materials, you can reach me on 07064 92807. I can tell you the price of the materials. In case you fear, you can text me on WhatsApp. That's my WhatsApp number. I will be telling all the prices of materials that is latest in Uganda, so that you don't be cheated, and I will not be asking you for any money. It's just helping one develop. That is what I do as a good person. I just be helping. If you also need someone to supply you materials at your site without involving, like you want to be the one in charge, I just refer someone to you, people who are good. They can supply for you trucks or construction materials, and it will reach your site. You will appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next. Stay blessed.